To factory reset your Sony headphone, the first thing that you will need to do is to make sure it is power off. And as you can see now, there's a little activity on the LED just right here. This means that it's on. So to power it off, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. And there we go. This is off. And now to proceed for the factory reset, you will have to press and hold those 2 buttons for around 7 seconds. Now that we see that blinking light, this means that the factory reset process is complete. So the next time you power it on, by holding it 2 to 3 seconds, it will reboot just like the first time. Every connection will have been erased, and now, as you can see, it is now into pairing mode like in the first boot of the device. So I hope this was helpful.